Welcome to this video. My name is Sanjeev Raj and I proudly present you this project made by my team Reinforces. And the project title is Resucegpt Landslide Detection and Early Warning System using AI and IoT. The problem statement is landslide. Many may wonder, do we have a solution for landslide? Actually, the answer is yes. How does this landslide occur? It's a big question mark. So it is all based on the factors. Factors in the sense external factors in the environment: the heavy rainfalls, soil erosion, deforestation, temperature, hue, density, and seismic activity, and even the continental plates plays a major role in the occurrence of landslide. So when landslide occurs, there is a loss of life and many properties of the environment are damaged. Not only damaged, but creates a huge mess in the day-to-day environment and life. So to predict and to provide as a service to the people, we come up with a solution. Actually, our idea is we use AI and IoT technologies to evaluate the real-time monitoring conditions and predict landslide in real time. Actually, the sensors collect which machine learning models analyze to provide early warning and enable quick evacuation, reducing landslide impacts and improving community resilience. How unique is our project is from the other? As we already mentioned that we use AI and IoT. On top of that, we also use geospatial technologies. That is how we can get the real-time landslide predictions values, and we can mitigate into the learning models, and we can reduce the risk of people getting affected. So these are the technologies which we will be using for building this project. The first comes that IoT sensors. The rain gauges, soil moisture sensor, insulameters, seismic sensors. So landslide occurs based on some external factors. For measuring that each and every external factors, we use these sensors, and we input those measured values from these sensors to the machine learning models for predicting in real time. The machine learning models we use here is random forest and recurrent neural networks. Since we measure in real time, we also use cloud computing, and we used to send alert system messages for the peoples around that area. And data analytics platforms, it plays a major role in this project. By using these three libraries, TensorFlow, PySpark, skcit-learn, we can group the data into larger level, and we can perform many operations in real time, and we can predict the occurrence of landslide in a way better. So the project begins with the collection of real-time environmental data using those IoT sensors. And after collecting the real-time data sets, the output of the IoT sensors is given as the input to the machine learning algorithms. As we have to classify and we have to separate each and every factors of the output of the IoT sensors, and then we have to train the model and make it fit and predict all the values in a efficient manner, which can increase the accuracy to 99%. When the risks are identified, the real-time alert system notifies the stakeholders via mobile phones, SMS, or dashboards. And what are the challenges we are facing while doing this project is that collecting the real-time data sets and impact prediction accuracy. Deploying a IoT sensor in rugged terrains is costly and technical demanding. Additionally, ensuring reliable connectivity for real-time data transmission and minimizing false alarms are critical hurdles to address for effective implementation. And what is the feasibility? That despite these challenges, the project is feasible due to advancement in AI and IoT and cloud technologies. So this is the flow chart of our project. At first, through the sensors, we actually sense the real-time data sets and we feed the output of the collected from the sensors to the network infrastructure and we process the data and then we match up with the certain levels of values whether the landslide may occur by these factors or not. And then when the factors meet the limit, we send the alert system to the people around that through mobile devices, smartphones. And after completion, check that whether all the people are safe. Then we again send a feedback that to the sensors that we have securely done the job. So okay, that's it. So the impacts and benefits of this project. This project minimizes the damage to critical infrastructure like roads, bridges, buildings, promoting public safety and economic stability. Additionally, by preventing environmental degradation such as deforestation and soil erosion, the system supports sustainable land use and preserves biodiversity. The system significantly reduces the risk of loss of life and property by providing accurate and timely landslide predictions, enhancing community preparedness through early warnings and disaster mitigation. So here are the these are the research papers which we have used for building this project. Actually, we gained a lot of information from these research papers. Since landslide prediction over there in the real time, how they have done that, and we are building this project in a very large level. I hope so it comes out really well. And thanks for watching this video. A hearty thanks from Reinforces.